In my previous presentation, Mr. Raif Ranjan talked about teachers' continuous professional development, CPD. He was focused on the recommendation of NEP 2020 for the teachers. Now Raif Ranjan sir will share with us Teachers' Career Management and Progression CAMP-NEP 2020 recommendations. Teachers doing outstanding work must be recognized and promoted, and given salary raises, to incentivize all teachers to do their best work. Therefore, a robust merit-based structure of tenure, promotion, and salary structure will be developed, with multiple levels within each teacher stage, that incentivizes and recognizes outstanding teachers. A system of multiple parameters for proper assessment of performance will be developed for the same by state/Utah governments, that is, based on peer reviews, attendance, commitment, hours of CPD, and other forms of service to the school and the community, or based on NPST given in Para 5.20. In this policy, in the context of careers, tenure refers to confirmation for permanent employment, after due assessment of performance and contribution, while tenure track refers to the period of probation preceding tenure. Further, it will be ensured that career growth, in terms of tenure, promotions, salary increases, etc., is available to teachers within a single school stage, that is, foundational, preparatory, middle, or secondary, and that there is no career progression-related incentive to move from being teachers in early stages to later stages or vice versa, though such career moves across stages will be allowed, provided the teacher has the desire and qualifications for such a move. This is to support the fact that all stages of school education will require the highest quality teachers, and no stage will be considered more important than any other. Vertical mobility of teachers based on merit will also be paramount. Outstanding teachers with demonstrated leadership and management skills would be trained over time to take on academic leadership positions in schools, school complexes, BRCS, CRCS, BITES, DIETS, as well as relevant government departments. Today, Raif Ranjan sir discussed following points. A. Teachers doing outstanding work will be recognized and promoted. B. Merit-based structure of tenure, promotion, and salary structure will be developed. C. System of multiple parameters for proper assessment of performance will be developed. D. Career growth in terms of tenure, promotions, salary increases, etc. is available to teachers within a single school stage. Thank you so much. Resource NEP 2020, presented by Raif Ranjan, Principal, Teacher Trainer and CBSE Resource Person. For more information visit MHRD websites or visit www.raifl.com for more presentations, videos and articles.